to UPF and once again I would like to thank UPF for the continued bridge building and a timely conference today on COVID-19 crisis. Earlier I have also attended two three conferences and frequently these conferences or seminars you can say are going on. It's a great opportunity that today we are having Pakistan, UK people getting together. Earlier in last my suggestion, I was suggesting that we should have something like Asia specific conference also that in which our Southeast Asia countries should get together and we should share our experience also. But the significance of interdependence, mutual prosperity, and universal values, the movement to realize a society which all people become one family based on interdependence, mutual prosperity, and universal shared value begins from one family. The family, I believe, in our strongest, I believe, is our strongest institution. Like most people, I spent the lockdown trying to lighten the adversity of my family to make their days brilliant by keeping them positive. I assist my daughter with her online education or schooling, and more importantly, for being the reason behind her is her beautiful smile. Mutual affection only leads to cooperation and peace. This propagates happiness and prosperity in society. I visited the key hospital in Peshawar also in this COVID-19, which is the biggest hospital of my province, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, which is called Lady Reading Hospital, Peshawar, where we distributed on behalf of my party, which you said before, Pakistan People's Party, we distributed some stuff to the doctors for this COVID-19 situation. There were some packages with basic essential of the doctors and patients. In trying to bring all parties on the same page, we also had a all parties conference in our province. Also, we had in other provinces also on behalf of our party in this pandemic situation. It was basically on the corona situation. All the mainstream political parties of KPK, from which province I belong to, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, they attended this conference also. I was also the member of my party. We have created one group, and which was for messaging group to give message to people of Pakistan in different languages. From other provinces, we have got all other members also. We gave them in the local language. We send messages for the for COVID-19, for Corona, that people should take care of their self, their families, their neighbors, and these about things. I also made a visit to Peshawar in Gurdwara also, where we had a bishop there of Peshawar and checked the well-being of our non-Muslim citizens also in Pakistan. In our people-to-people contact and trying to reach out to those struggling with food, medical bills, hospitals with full capacity, we often think about how we are meant to treat others. The plain and simple answer to this is there is no others. One would have thought that this pandemic would have healed divisions. Unfortunately, it hasn't. It hasn't. New cold wars, storm warmings, invisible enemies, political opportunism is all a striking reality. Today, I also welcome UNSCS, a call for a global humanity ceasefire to end conflicts, to protect and ensure access to the most vulnerable in these difficult times. According to a UNICEF study, pandemic puts 86 million children at risk of poverty. The coronavirus pandemic could push up to 60 million people into extreme poverty. The global economy in how expected to shrink by about is 5.5% this year. This is a time for all the liberal democracies to come together to protect our shared universal values of peace, prosperity, and progress. Today, I am determined to do all I can do to help the international community obtain a relationship that bears mutual prosperity and to ensure that our campus is truly ready for the next generation of global citizens. I once again thanks the UPF for organizing such a beautiful event. And I have seen that they are on their toes, because everywhere when I see on the social media, their conferences are going on. This is the third or fourth conference which I am attending, and we hope because it's pandemic situation, and this is the best way. Zoom is the best way to be in touch with the other community, other countries, other colleagues. So I also thanks once again, and all my colleagues on this Zoom conference who are available on the Zoom conference also wish them best of luck for their future.